brace yourself for a whirlwind of mind-blowing facts about the human body. Hit that subscribe button and join the frenzy. Water comprises 55 to 78% of human body mass, averaging 60%, varying by age, sex, and hydration. As a crucial biological solvent, it facilitates cellular and systemic functions, intracellular reactions and transport, thermoregulation through sweating, joint lubrication, organ cushioning, and transport within circulatory or lymphatic systems where plasma is around 92% water. Water is directly involved in biochemical reactions like hydrolysis and maintains electrolyte osmotic pressure. Several hormones act in concert to maintain the body's fluid balance, a process crucial for homeostasis, by controlling water intake, excretion, and distribution within the body. Mild dehydration, representing a 1 to 2% loss of body water, can result in fatigue and impaired cognitive function. More severe dehydration, exceeding 10% loss of body water, can lead to significant cardiovascular strain, kidney dysfunction, electrolyte imbalances, and potentially life-threatening circulatory collapse. Although the brain is only about 2% of our body weight, it uses a whopping 20% of our oxygen and energy from glucose. This high energy use is because brain cells are constantly working, even when we sleep. They need this energy for basic functions like sending signals to each other, which involves tiny electrical and chemical changes. These signals are how we think, move, sense the world, and keep our bodies in balance. If the brain doesn't get enough energy, for example, from reduced blood flow or low blood sugar, it can't work properly, and this can contribute to serious brain diseases. So, things like healthy food, exercise, and keeping our minds active are really important for keeping our brains healthy. The circulatory system made up of arteries, veins, and capillaries spans 60,000 to 100,000 miles, potentially circling Earth 3 times. It transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells while removing waste. Oxygen-rich blood travels from the heart through large blood vessels called arteries, which branch into smaller and smaller tubes. These tiny tubes, called capillaries, are where the blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues and picks up waste products. Deoxygenated blood returns via venules merging into veins. This circulation, driven by the heart and aided by muscle contractions or valves, ensures tissue perfusion, crucial for cellular metabolism, homeostasis, and organ function. The system's vastness highlights its efficiency in reaching every cell. The human body is in a constant state of renewal, with millions of cells being created and replaced every second. Estimates suggest that approximately 25 million new cells are produced every second. This rapid rate of cellular turnover means that in just 15 seconds, the body generates more new cells than there are people in the United States. This continuous regeneration is essential for growth, repair, and maintaining the health of tissues and organs throughout life. Different cell types have varying lifespans, with some being replaced within days or weeks, while others last for months or even years. This constant cycle of cell division, differentiation, and death called apoptosis is tightly regulated to ensure proper tissue function. Disruptions in this process can lead to various health problems, including cancer, where uncontrolled cell growth occurs. Human infants are born with approximately 300 bones, a significantly higher number than the 206 bones found in adults. This difference is due to the fact that many of these bones are initially separate and gradually fuse together during growth and development. This fusion process, known as ossification, occurs as cartilage is replaced by bone tissue. The presence of more bones in infants provides greater flexibility during birth and allows for rapid growth in the early years of life. As the child develops, these separate bones fuse to form larger, stronger structures. For instance, several bones in the skull, spine, and pelvis fuse together. This process of bone fusion is a crucial part of skeletal development, contributing to the stability and strength of the adult skeleton. Bones are remarkably strong structures, especially considering their relatively light weight. Pound for pound, bone is often compared to steel in terms of its compressive strength, meaning its ability to withstand being squeezed or compressed. A block of bone the size of a matchbox can support a considerable amount of weight, often cited as around 18,000 pounds. However, It's important to note that bone's strength profile is complex. While bone exhibits high compressive strength, it has lower tensile strength, meaning it's less resistant to being pulled or stretched. Steel, on the other hand, has high strength in both compression and tension. Bone's strength comes from its unique composite structure, consisting of a matrix of collagen, a flexible protein, and minerals, primarily calcium phosphate. This combination provides both flexibility and rigidity, making bone a remarkably resilient material. A significant portion of the human skeleton is concentrated in the hands, wrists, feet, and ankles. In fact, more than half of all the bones in the body are located in these extremities. This concentration of bones is essential for providing the fine motor skills of the hands and the flexibility and support required for balance and locomotion in the feet and ankles. The hands contain 27 bones each, allowing for a wide range of movements, from delicate manipulations to powerful grips. The feet and ankles, with 26 bones each, provide a stable base for standing, walking, and running, while also allowing for adaptation to uneven terrain. This distribution of bones is a key adaptation that has enabled humans to develop complex tools, perform intricate tasks, and navigate diverse environments. The human body exhibits a remarkable range in bone size, from the largest bone, which is the femur, to the smallest, the stirrup or the stapes. The femur, also known as the thigh bone, is located in the upper leg and is both the longest and strongest bone in the body. It plays a crucial role in supporting body weight and facilitating movement. In contrast, the stirrup bone, located in the middle ear, is incredibly tiny, measuring only a few millimeters in length. It is one of 3 small bones, ossicles, in the middle ear that transmit sound vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. This vast difference in size reflects the diverse functions of bones within the body, from weight-bearing and locomotion to sound transmission. While teeth are often associated with the skeletal system, they are not technically classified as bones. Although both teeth and bones contain calcium and are hard structures, they differ significantly in their composition, development, and regenerative capabilities. Bones are composed of living tissue that can remodel and repair itself throughout life. Teeth, on the other hand, are primarily composed of enamel, dentin, and cementum, which are non-living tissues. Enamel, the outermost layer of the tooth, is the hardest substance in the human body. Unlike bone, damaged enamel cannot regenerate. Although teeth are anchored in the jawbone and play a crucial role in chewing and digestion, their distinct structure and origin set them apart from bones. While humans may not be the fastest sprinters or the strongest animals, we possess remarkable endurance running capabilities. Several unique adaptations contribute to this ability, including long legs, an upright posture, efficient heat dissipation through sweating, and elastic tendons in the legs and feet. These features allow humans to run long distances at a relatively steady pace. One theory suggests that early humans utilized this endurance capacity for a hunting technique known as persistence hunting. This involved pursuing prey over long distances in various conditions, eventually exhausting the animal to the point of capture. While the prevalence of persistence hunting is debated, it highlights the unique physiological adaptations that have enabled humans to thrive in complex environments. So, there you have it, 10 amazing facts about the human body. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fascinating facts, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching.